Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Jump on my roller coaster and hold tight. It won't be easy, but it'll be fun. Sometimes it goes the whole way up and down.
I just did a little shopping and I want to share with you guys some items that I got. I got some fall decor. I haven't decorated my house in a really long time and I'm so excited. So I got some home decor items and then also some clothes because Benji is growing so fast, and I got some matching outfits for him and Louie because I feel like it's really hard to find cute boy clothes. But I went to Oshkosh Bagosh and I found some really cute items. I am partnering with Oshkosh Bagosh in today's video to share with you guys some of their new items. And oh my goodness, it is so hard to resist not buying the entire boys section because everything is just so cute. So the majority of the things that I did get, I think I matched literally just about everything. So first, let's start off with these shoes. I find it hard to find really cute, comfortable shoes for Benji. These are adorable. I love the lace, that they're black. And they're just stretchy, so you don't have to worry about like tying any laces, which is always nice. And then I like that it has like the sole on the bottom, so that way now that Benji is walking, he can have a lot of support. But these are so cute. I love this color brown, especially for fall. I just got the boys some onesies. Look how cute these are. I love the quality of their clothes because I feel like they're not going to shrink in the wash. I feel like a lot of brands come out like really small, but these, if you go online, you can shop like to their size and it's true to fit. And then I got them these really cute outfits. Look how cute this is. So the pants come separate from the sweater. The sweater has like this little pocket right here. And as you can tell, it has like this quilted material. It's super soft and it's not too hot. Like it's just perfect. So I love the speckled pattern that's on there. I think it's really pretty. It's super comfortable for both of them. So of course I got them each a set. And I think it's perfect. This is just so cute. So I do have a jean jacket that I got for Benji a while ago, and it is from the same brand. It is the exact same one. They always have the best jean jackets because they're actually really stretchy. I've been looking through a lot of denim jackets, especially around the time that I bought one for Benji when he was much younger. He was like 6 months old when I got him a jean jacket, and all the ones that I was looking at were really stiff and hard, and I would never want to put that on my baby because he would be uncomfortable. But the one that I got from Oshkosh Bagosh, from Baby Bagosh, I actually have used since he was 6 months old. It's super soft, it washes well, and he wears it all the time. You guys always see it in pictures and it's so adorable. So I got another one in a bigger size for Benji, so that way Louie can use the denim one that's at the hand-me-down, and then Benji can use a bigger size. So that was my strategy. And then look at these dress shirts. These are so cute. I was thinking maybe like for Thanksgiving, I could dress them up in similar outfits, or just whenever, I don't know, I want to dress up my babies, which I try to do all the time. And these sweaters are so cute. Oh my gosh, I am so in love with these like grandpa style sweaters. I call them grandpa style because they're just so cute, but they're so trendy. And I just love how dressy they are. They're so cute. They're very, very soft. And of course, they just look really nice. So I got it for both of my boys again. I had to make sure that I got them the same ones. And it was kind of hard because I was trying to see what size that they would be because Benji just grows so fast. And I feel like I have to get him a whole new wardrobe as he grows, which I'm sure that's with every single child. They just grow so fast, you have to like move on to the next size right away. So I'm trying to buy like bigger sizes so that way they can wear them longer. I kind of learned that the hard way. But I do love that the quality of the clothes are great in the wash because they go through a lot of clothes really fast. And you don't need them to shrink. So that is everything that I got, and I'll have everything linked down below in the description box, so make sure to check that out. I'm so excited. Got some new towels. These are so pretty. I have been wanting to decorate my kitchen for a while now, and I'm so glad that I found everything on one trip. I haven't decorated since Valentine's Day. That was in February. And that's why everything is still pink. It kind of goes together, so that's fine, but it's been a while. It's been a while since I've done any kind of home decor to our house, and I've like decorated any space except for the baby's room. If you guys are new to my channel, I do have a month-old and a 12-month-old, and so I've been working non-stop trying to get everything ready for the baby, and just like going through clothes and making sure that I have everything out and ready for them, including decorating Benji's bedroom, which I'm so excited to share with you guys in a future video. And I will do the whole nursery reveal because it took me a long time to be able to do it. But right now I do want to make sure that, because this is the #1 area in my house that I look at, which is the kitchen, I want to make sure that it's nice and decorated, and it just brings me some joy. While I was browsing through the aisles, I found these pumpkin latte cups that I can include in my morning routine whenever I make myself a delicious cup of coffee. And I was so excited because these are already a latte, so I don't have to include anything else. I just want to make my coffee in the morning and enjoy it, because we all know I definitely need it, especially with a newborn who's nursing all day. So it is nice to just have these ready. And it came with a lot, so I was able to stock up and see how it goes, because I wonder if they're going to taste good. Is anybody else into pumpkin spice lattes, or do you guys get like any form of pumpkin flavoring in your morning coffee? Let me know if you also have any recipes available that I can use that are easy, because I want to get into this season. It just makes me excited. I'm not a huge fan of pumpkin spice, but I am a fan of just like the pumpkin flavoring in morning coffee. It is a few hours later and both babies are asleep. Benji goes down around 7:30 p.m. and he'll sleep until 7 the next morning. So he's a good sleeper so far. And now Louis is down for his nap. We'll see when he wakes up, but it did give me the opportunity to clean the entire house, which is rare, because usually I'll either have time to just like clean the kitchen and get a few things done, but he actually slept a little bit longer, which gave me plenty of time to catch up on the entire house, or at least the entire first floor. And so right now I'm just gonna go ahead and load the dishwasher, which is something that we try to do every day, and then we'll unload it in the morning, but we don't always get to it, so we kind of wait until the dishwasher is full before we load it up, and that can take a day and a half. It just depends. So now I'm just gonna make sure that I get all the dishes out of the way, including Benji's seat and its accessories. He is eating a lot more now and different meals, and we had spaghetti and that was a huge mess. So I'm just making sure that everything is nice and clean.
No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I
have a fun little question for you. If you can get rid of one chore for the rest of your life, what would it be? Would it be dishes or would it be laundry? Or anything else that you can think of? For me, it would 100% be dishes. If I never have to clean another dish for the rest of my life, that would be pretty much amazing. Because I can keep up with laundry for some reason, but when it comes to dishes, it's just so tedious for me. I'd rather be scrubbing toilets.
Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
This little ledge on top of here is the center of the first floor, and that is where I start piling things up from different areas around the house. So what I've started to do is I will go ahead and start piling it there, and then I'll take it to the stairs in a basket, which is not shown in the video, but that is where I keep like one basket where I can go ahead and bring everything upstairs all at once, so that I'm not like trying to go up and down the stairs, but things are also not scattered everywhere. It's worked so far, but I feel like I need a better system. But at the moment, that is what we're doing. We converted one of the rooms downstairs, which used to be my office, into a playroom, and let me tell you, there's a lot less toys scattered around, and the house looks a little bit cleaner too. So we do have a little basket of toys where we keep certain ones that'll entertain him while he's roaming around in the front room, which is not too bad. And then we have a playroom where I have the rest of his clothes, and you guys will see what it looks like. It's actually been working out really great. I thought that he probably wasn't going to get a good use out of it until he's a little bit bigger, but honestly it's been a huge lifesaver and it's been great. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and get all the kitchen towels folded. It's been down here for a couple days, not gonna lie. Even though I can keep up with washing the clothes, it's a little bit harder to fold things when it's on the first floor, since our laundry machine is actually on the second floor. So when anything is down here, it takes me a little bit longer, and then I just keep that basket in a corner somewhere. So I'm glad that I finally got to it. I try not to let it sit there for more than a day or two, because otherwise it'll drive me bananas. Something also that I've learned is that I reduce the amount of baskets that I have for laundry, so that way it forces me to do laundry. I don't like to put it like on a chair or on top of a table without it being folded, because otherwise it'll never get done. So if it's in the basket and it maintains there, it'll force me to get it out and put away, because I only have 3 baskets that I can put clean clothes in. Alright, so now this is the playroom. We're still working on it, but so far it's been working out great. I still have a lot more to decorate because I want to make it super cute for him, and I just want to make sure that he has a really good time in here. So little by little we're starting to get like storage for his toys. Right now this is what we have, and it's been working out really great, but I also want to put up some decor pieces, so that video will be coming up soon. But for right now I just want to make sure that I tidied that room up. I always share with you guys this vacuum on Instagram, and it is my absolute favorite one from Dyson. It is the Omni Glide. It's great for hard floors if you have wood floors or tile or anything like that, because it is so soft on your floor, so it's not going to scratch it, and it moves in all directions. So it glides and maneuvers so easily. It's so light that even Ricardo enjoys vacuuming, and so does little baby Benji. But I love this thing. It is so easy to use, and we'll vacuum like twice a day sometimes. It just depends. We want to make sure that we catch any choking hazards that might have fallen on the ground or anything that the dogs bring in from outside. So it's been great. I also find a lot of the dog hair that I don't usually see with the naked eye. So it picks up a lot of things, and I love it. Another thing that I do recommend is if you are going to go out the next day to pack the diaper bag the day before. It has saved us a lot because sometimes if you're running out the house in a rush, and most likely you're late if you have little ones, this is one less thing to worry about. So I'm just going through the diaper bag, making sure that I get rid of any garbage, and just like restocking the diapers, making sure I put them in order because sometimes it can become a mess. And that's just some paperwork from our last pediatrician visit for little Louie since he just turned a month. So yeah, always just repack your diaper bag, organize it, make sure you have everything that you need. And I'll have linked down below their customized wet bags, which I love. They're so cute. They wash great and they're really great quality. And of course I wanted them personalized with their name on it. So that way I have their clothes separated and it just makes it so much easier. Now I'm using two different bags. I'm using the Petunia Pickle Bottom, the Mickey one, and then the Itsy Bitsy Cognac bag that you see that I'm restocking now. And I use a smaller diaper bag whenever I just go out with Louie, for example, like to the pediatrician's office, or if I'm gonna run some errands and Benji is home with Ricardo, I could just take the smaller diaper bag, and all I need is a change of clothes, a swaddle, and then just like hand sanitizer or anything like that with his passy, some diapers, and some wipes. And that's pretty much it. For Benji's diaper bag, or when I have them both with me, I need a lot more things. So that's why I have the bigger one. But I love both of these. They're so cute and stylish, and I always get so many compliments on them. So if you guys haven't caught up yet with my videos, I did move my office across the hallway to this formal living room. It's not working out that great, to be honest, because Benji can see me. There are no doors anymore, and he just wants to be with his mama, and I just want to be with my baby. So it is hard to get things done because I see his cute little face, or he hears me as I'm in here in the office, and he wants me to do things for him, which I don't mind, but it's just really hard to concentrate and get things done. So I think I'm going to move my office upstairs to the glam room, but I haven't decided 100% yet. But right now I'm just going to go ahead and clean it up because it's the first thing that you see when you walk in to our house, and I want to make sure that it maintains nice and clean. So that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did a little bit of everything, a little bit of home decor, some shopping, some clothes for the boys, and of course lots of cleaning. I'll talk to you guys next time. Muchos besos. Mwah.